The next workshop coming up is on the 21st of August, which is this Sunday. Paint an old galleon at sea on a moonlit night. It's a £10 virtual workshop, so if you've never come across these workshops, then these are quite interesting, because what these actually are is these are actually me painting live from my studio, and you're sat at home working along with me, and these are £10, and these kind of became the normal in the lockdown world and the COVID world that happened in the past couple of years. But now things are starting to get back to normal a little bit. You know, obviously less people are doing them, but they are still pretty popular. And what's really interesting about these workshops is you don't have to be there in person. So if you can't make it there live on Sunday the 21st of August, it really doesn't matter. And if you're watching this video at a later stage, so after the 21st of August, there's pretty much one taking place every weekend. We've just had a 2-week break from virtual. Yeah, man. It's Neil from the Young Ones. Google it. We've just had a couple of week break from workshops. That's the first time since Christmas, and that's purely because I've been away with the family. It was my little boy's first birthday. We've been away, had some time out, that kind of thing. Refreshed the mind from painting a little bit. But yes, these things have been running pretty much non-stop for 2.5 years. We've done 110 of these workshops. In fact, this one coming up is workshop 110. These are £10, these workshops. The last one that we did, I want to show you down here, was this koala. And I know a few people watching, I'm pretty sure, did this one. And it was a lovely one to do. And that was like almost 3 weeks ago. This beautiful koala bear. And it was all done in a virtual workshop. £10, the sketching, everything was broken down for you. And materials-wise, literally all we used materials-wise was what you see here. It's very basic materials are required for these workshops, which makes it quite accessible. So all you need is 3 colours, a yellow, a red and a blue of some kind. The colours I've got here are natural yellow light, natural red, natural blue, but you might have ultramarine or cobalt blue. You might have rose madder or alizarin crimson. You might have cadmium yellow, lemon yellow or something like that. But 3 basic primary colours and 3 brushes. A large, medium and small brush is all you need. These particular brushes are my own brand of brushes, which you can see are the brand new Super Point brushes. These were available to purchase. These are just really, really high quality brushes. A size 20, a size 10, a size 6. You don't have to have these 3 brushes, just a large, medium and small brush is all you need to do with one of these virtual workshops. And that's it. And a bit of watercolor paper, and you're ready to give it a go. It really is as simple as that. So have a look at the inspirational images for the workshop coming up on Sunday. So if you'd like to book a space, it's dead easy. If you get yourself on to the old website, allthews.watercolor.tv, look at the top of the website, you can see a link for the up and coming one. So it says book now, virtual workshop 21st of August, click it, and there's all the information you need to see about the workshop that's coming up on Sunday the 21st or whatever date you're looking. So there it is, and it really is just a case of clicking add to basket. What's also interesting about this particular workshop, this paint an old galleon at sea on a moonlit night, is there's also a very special giveaway taking place. As you can probably see here, if I highlight it, includes a £150 art material giveaway. It's one of the most generous prizes we've given away for quite some time. I've got the prize here. I don't want to drop it. In fact, I'll show you on this camera above. So we're giving away all these juicy goodies here. A prize bundle worth £150. We've got a set of 3 brushes, masking tape, got some paints. We've got 2 packs of watercolour paper and a palette. So a very generous giveaway. That's taking place during the workshop. You've just got to be in the workshop or booked onto the workshop to stand the chance of winning. Simple as that. Now, quite a few people will say to me, how do you pick up a previous workshop? Well, if we go back to the website again, we'll scroll to the top of the screen, and if you click on the actual workshop menu link, which is here, there's a section called previous workshops. If we click on that, it takes you to the page where you can choose live workshops, in-person workshops, or previous ones. We'll click previous. That'll take us straight to the page where you can view all of the previous ones going right back to day one. So there's 109 workshops to choose from. And what's interesting is once you purchase one of these workshops, for example, here we've got the old vintage fair workshop. So we've done some real variation of theme. Here was the vintage fun fair that we did. One of my favourites from this year, if I'm being completely honest. Very different picture. Once purchased, this workshop will always appear here to view. So basically once you bought the workshop, it's kind of yours to keep. So there's a huge back catalogue to enjoy as part of your watercolour journey. So yes, well done, and it was great to see your koala bears on Facebook. It really was. Now the one that's coming up this weekend, some people have said, Matthew, have we not done this picture before? Well, this is not, and I'll make this pretty clear, this is not the picture that we're doing on Sunday the 21st of August. Now this is a painting from 2019 that was actually done for Watercolor TV. So if you're a Watercolor TV member, there is a workshop already for you to view, or a tutorial rather than a workshop of this particular picture. This is not the one. It's a brand new picture starting from scratch with a blank piece of paper. I'll guide you through every brush stroke, so do get yourself booked in. Again, we've got some nice images to show you down here, some inspirational images that you might want to look at there. That beautiful sort of evening moonlit sky there with the beautiful silhouette of the boat. It's going to be an absolute belter, folks. I'm looking forward to it because it's been a couple of weeks since we actually did a virtual class because of holidays, summer holidays, spending time with the children, spending time with the family, that kind of thing. So link in the description or book on the website. We've only got about a dozen to 15 spaces left for the workshop on Sunday. So how it works is it starts at 10 AM. You can watch it live or at any time after. It's yours to keep forever once you purchase it. You don't have to be there live at 10 AM because once you buy this, as it clearly says at the bottom of the screen down here, it says watch live or anytime after. This is yours to keep forever. Yes, it's yours to keep forever, so you can basically just watch it back at your leisure. You can drop in and out. You don't have to be there live. You can ask questions. You can send in progress report of your picture. You can send the sketch. We'll vet the sketch for you, all for £10. It's a great way to improve and develop your watercolour painting. It's going to be a cracker. Don't miss out, folks. Please don't miss out on this one. Get yourself booked in. Now, a few other things to talk about as well before I disappear. First of all, at 2 PM today, so it's currently 12:15 here in the UK. At 2 PM today on the 18th of August, I'm doing a live watercolour demo across on the YouTube channel. I've popped a link in the description below this post. So you can head straight on to the demonstration. Now, again, if you can't be there live at 2 PM, you can watch it after. It's always nice being there live, doesn't matter. That's a free demo. Paint a sunset in watercolours. That demo is starting at 2 PM UK time today on the 18th, but you can watch it back at any time. If you're watching this or you're watching the demo on the YouTube channel, please make sure you hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That really means a lot. A simple subscription goes a long way in the YouTube algorithm. Yes, it does. So do make sure you pop that in and you subscribe. So at 2 PM, don't forget a beautiful how to paint a sunset in watercolours. That's going to be a demo that'll last about sort of 45 minutes. It's live, so you can join me live. Beautiful, 2 PM today. That's going to be good, isn't it? That's going to be great. Now, if you are a Watercolor TV member, which I know a lot of you are, thank you for your membership. How many people watching this are actually Watercolor TV members? We've got some exciting stuff coming up on Watercolor TV over the next few weeks, so do make sure you keep your membership active. If I just quickly go on to the membership page of Watercolor TV, here it is, and we'll click on where it says memberships. There's several options for being a member of Watercolor TV. You can have monthly, annual, lifetime, or a gift membership. So do make sure you get yourself onto that membership there. But if you remember, a couple of weeks ago, a new lesson appeared, which I want to show you. You might not have seen it yet. It was this nice kind of winter bridge picture So here it is. So if you'd like to have a go at that, as long as you've got a Watercolor TV membership, you can watch this. It's on about an hour, and it's a lovely step-by-step tutorial on painting a beautiful winter autumnal scene. We had no sound for a second then, but we now have sound. We have sound back. I'll start again. I'll rewind. Yes, so if you want to pick up a copy of this book here, the microphone went off. The Watercolor Companion, if you bought a copy recently, folks, I'd love you to get yourself on Amazon and leave me a review, because it really makes such a difference leaving reviews for products. So even if you didn't buy the book from Amazon, it doesn't matter, as long as you have an Amazon account. You can pop a review on Amazon and it goes a million miles, it does. So thank you so much. The sound should be back now, hopefully. Yeah. Now, if you want to buy this from Watercolor TV, we've got signed first editions. This one's $229 and $500. It comes with a certificate of authenticity to prove it was me that actually signed the book. And these are first editions of this brand new Tips Watercolor Companion book. And you can see it is full. And, you know, Facebook's been full of some wonderful comments about this book. So a big thank you to everybody that has sent me an email or a message thanking me for this book. A lot of hard work went into this book, and it really is rammed with visual. It's a visual guide. It's a visual guide. Now, right at the back of the book, I want to try and show you this. It actually comes with a picture finder, which is actually hiding away in this little envelope. A secret picture finder is tucked away at the back as well. So if you want to buy a copy before we sell out, there's probably about 25 to 30 left of these first editions of this book. The Watercolor Companion, brand new for 2022 watercolor book. Check it out if you've not already. Sorry about the sound, it's just live streaming, it's full of problems. Yeah, a lot of technology goes into live streaming. It's crazy, isn't it, really, this modern world. But yes, I mean, that's pretty much where I'm at the minute. So I want to go away. I'm filming a little video for Watercolor TV members as soon as I finish this chat. And then at 2 p.m, don't forget to join me for the live stream, which is over on the YouTube channel. The link is in the description below this video. So do join me at 2 p.m. I'd love you to be there. And don't forget to book in for this workshop, folks. I'd love you to see you there. Keep the paint flowing. For £10, you can't even get a coffee, and you certainly can't get a gallon of fuel in this modern world. Sunday, 21st of August, paint an old galleon at sea on a moonlit night with stormy sky and sea. It's going to be a beautiful workshop, folks. Again, all you want is just basic materials, 3 colours and 3 brushes. Link is below. One final thing to mention, we've had a bit of a sale running through Watercolor TV. So if you would like to take advantage. It's still on. The sale is still on. Get yourself over to the art shop. We've got some great prices on some great products on Watercolor TV, including the full set of watercolor paints are reduced to £68 for all 14 colours. That's the ones without the box, by the way. So do check out some of these offers before the price has increased. It's been reduced from £76 to £68. We've got offers on brushes, offers on paper. So get yourself over to the art shop on Watercolor TV and take advantage. The prices haven't gone up. The brand new Sky and Cloud brushes are still on at $16.99. This was meant to end on Tuesday, but it's still running because I've just been lazy and not put the prices back. So do take advantage of my laziness and pick up some wonderful products from Watercolor TV. And don't forget, as a Watercolor TV member, so if you're a member of Watercolor TV, you get a further 10% off. How do you access your 10% off code? What you need to do is you need to log into your account, click on the word dashboard, which is in the top sort of right corner of your screen somewhere, and then what you do is you come down, and that's how you access it. That's how you access your discount code. So yes, thank you for taking a little bit of time out, half an hour out of your day to join me live here from the old Matthew Palmer painting shed. But don't forget to join me at 2 p.m. for a live sunset watercolor demo, folks. It's free for you all to enjoy. I'm desperate to get some paint flowing. I've had a couple of weeks off with holidays, so thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the workshop, folks. Sunday the 21st of August. Please get them bookings in place. That for £10 you can watch it live or at any time. The workshop is yours to keep forever. Make sure you check it out, folks, and I'll see you at 2 p.m. Take care.